What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Adrian the Rail Fanner here. I am at the Metra train station all the way down in Manhattan, Illinois. And guess what's to come? The Metra train that comes to Manhattan from the Union Station at approximately 5:39 p.m. Metra 105. Hey, Mr. Engineer. Railroad crossing over there. Uh-oh. Huh. Never mind then. The railroad crossing gates went up, then back down, then back up they went. Anyway, here's the Metra train. About to go ahead and park over all the way at that coach yard. It's cold as crap out here. Brr. Oh. Well, I guess that's all, folks. Don't forget to like this video, comment what you thought of it, and subscribe to my channel at Adrian the Rail Fanner. Again, that's Adrian the Rail Fanner. Thanks a lot, everybody. Peace out.